Yo, what's going on, guys? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your JBL headphones not connecting to your phone. So what you can do is basically check if the headphones is working. So just plug the aux cable to one side and let's say take another device and plug aux cable into another device. But if that doesn't help, what you can try is basically by powering it on and then just click on plus and minus icon, just hold it like this. You will perform a hard reset. It will start blinking these two lights. You'll see, as you can see, now it basically restart your headset, and this means you did a hard reset. Now pair with your phone and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.